Are you a property manager struggling to keep up with the growing base of residents, demanding a more comfortable and convenient building experience? Managing property can be a difficult, costly, and tedious operation. But thanks to new technology, it doesn't have to be. Introducing Bixby, a revolutionary new amenity platform that helps property managers transform buildings into more connected, efficient, and sustainable communities, creating a unique and modern experience for today's residents. Property managers use Bixby to keep residents up to date with building-related announcements, reduce phone calls and emails associated with maintenance requests, and implement online payments without a significant change to the workforce. You can do all this and more with Bixby. Not only does Bixby help you be more productive and efficient, our amenity platform extends your service offering through several resident-focused benefits, such as an on-demand marketplace to complete chores ranging from dry cleaning to housekeeping, access to discounts and promotions from local businesses, and the ability to control smart home devices from a single platform. These benefits and more work to exceed the expectations of your residents and differentiate your building from the competition. Looking to take your management operation into the 21st century? Learn more about Bixby at www.livebixby.co and see how one platform can do so much to make your building experience a unique one.